In this video, let me teach you on how to add ETH or Ethereum to Coinbase wallet. First, let's open a Coinbase wallet on your device and log into your account. The thing is that the Ethereum network has been already added to your Coinbase by default, which means you can only interact with the network as it is already in the Coinbase wallet. Let's go ahead and click on the arrow down and arrow app icon at the bottom part. By default, you'll be able to see here the Ethereum when you're swapping, trading, and funding your wallet. Let's try to open the receive button right here. Now, as you can see, the Ethereum address is already added to your wallet. You can simply tap the copy button on the side of it, or you can open the QR code. Now, with your Ethereum address, you can use it for receiving tokens, NFTs on Ethereum, Base, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and other compatible networks. Transaction may take a few minutes to complete. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.